Hello and welcome to LoveMade Cosmetics.
If you check what's in your toothpaste, alarm bells should start ringing. But with only 3 natural ingredients, you can make your own. Before you start, make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly and that you sterilize your utensils with boiling water or disinfect them with surgical spirit. Now, in a medium bowl, you put 3 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then, with a spatula or a spoon, you mix them together little by little until you reach this point. It's then when you add your essential oil, just 3 or 4 drops, and here you are. This is the perfect texture. Then you bottle it in your jar and voila, here is your toothpaste ready to use. With a non-metallic implement, apply your toothpaste on your toothbrush. And now you're all ready to brush your teeth. Enjoy it!